Erizoba Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital bijwe kiro cy'abana bari kuzarwa batakire kandi aba batandukanye mukoro yo kutambura mu town ya Mbarara ubu bari kumanyisa batura amakuru g'ekireki Nabwanyuma Abashaho abazire n'abajenya besirwe bayirundanira hacayi Mbarara University aho mukoro yakorerwa.
This is a new hospital that comes under a hospital. It is a 100-bed capacity. It is coming up with a NICU and a new lab. These three structures, they will constrain the administration in terms of human resource, in terms of utilities, and any other consumer, including cleaning.
Continue with the capacity building with the support. We shall be there in the regional mentorship, updating guidelines, and supporting and giving advice and input. We have some neonatologists here.
Mukorogu gwakaho commissioner wa ministry y'byamagara Dr. Richard Mugahi owagira ngo ihangara kine kizibu cy'abashaho abo kureberera abana bari kuzarwa batakiro kuba bace nkonka ministry eriyo nekikoraho obuchweki ihembe okuchurwanisa.
We are aware about the human resource gap. We are aware about the human resource gap. Ministry is fully aware, and this was part of the communication from the permanent secretary. And we are going to work on this. This facility without human resource will become a white elephant, maybe even a black one. White elephant is an English expression of something there. So we are very committed.
Kurjira har Commissioner Richard Mugahi ibura ryo mbazi ogurukumanyonka safakitani nacho nicho bachwenteje.
There is a drug arombazo kuba kweta surfactant. Nuguyambo mwana yazirwa tayikire doze mwenegura millionemu. Omo muri Mbarara pharmacy gurimu konko muntu waburijo takukubasi. And we want to buy this and make it a free drug for all preterms in Uganda. Mu Uganda omuntu zaza ba preterm abakukeme twali 15 150,000 preterms every year. So they cannot afford that amount of money. And we are not giving only one dose.
And both these, the preterm and the term levels, are separated into a very critical area, a HD, which is the high dependency in a space, and also a step down level where babies who are better but not well enough to go home will be.
Na nitwa bazire turabombiza ububyingi kurebera omwana abana bakaba bukabukira buto nyoni nyishika Angel. Yes, Angel was too small. Even the siblings came to visit her. One of them cried. He was like, "Mommy, the baby is too small." I had to explain to her that Angel came when she was still young.
Kurjira har United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund UNICEF abana bari hagati y'emitwara 22 n'emitwara 26 nabazarwa batahikire omuri Uganda buri mwaka. Ombarogu ni guta Uganda omu mahanga gari kubanza 20 omunsi yona okuzarwa abana benji batahikire. Gasha kwa Edson Chinene.